Harbor Freight said that they knew who you were.
All right.
Okay.
How's it going, Trevor?
What's up, guys?
We got our neighbor and buddy Asher here with us today. And Asher, what are we doing?
Oh, we're gonna get me a vehicle.
Heck yeah, bro. Asher's very first mini bike.
Lil Rascal.
That's right, buddy. You're gonna make the little mini version of our
Yep.
big boy Rascal.
Yep.
It's gonna be perfect, we can match. So look, buddy, this is our frame.
Okay.
I painted it a very beautiful
Oh.
oiled bronze,
Well, like
just like
this.
ours. Yep, very chic.
Yeah.
You're gonna be talk of the town. Remember that oiled bronze. You gotta flex
Oil
with that.
bronze.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Oh, I have to flex with that?
Yeah, buddy. Hey, come check this stuff out, bro.
What do we got
Go
here?
Power Sports hooked it up with the whole kit. So this whole video is sponsored by Go Power Sports.
Oh, yeah.
They heard about you, they know about us, and they heard you were looking for a mini bike, and so we're gonna
course.
get you into one, buddy.
Why not?
Heck yeah. Go Power Sports, making dreams come true.
Yeah.
Ding! So we got some sweet baby versions of the off-road wheels and tires that we run.
Perfect, because I'm gonna be tearing up my yard.
Yes, sir. We're gonna do a little aluminum gas tank. We're gonna
Okay.
rear mount yours, which is gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Sweet forks with your little Rascal graphics.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Epic.
Couldn't go without that.
Of course not. Epic seat, like you pointed out.
Uh-huh.
Some sweet grips, so you can twist it
Yep.
and rip it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then you got your brakes for when you want to stop ripping it. So then we got your chain, we got your kill switch,
Okay.
we got the clutch, which is going to make you go, and in conjunction with the engine, sprocket, sweet Go Power
yeah.
Sports clutch cover.
Oh, yeah.
Kidding me? Get out of here. Oh, and then this, you got your Go Power Sports rag, so when you're
Oh,
working
yeah.
on your bike, you got to keep your hands clean, and also you got to
course.
fly the colors, dude.
There we go.
Let me see, bud. Nice.
And then last but not least, got our power plant.
Oh, yeah.
Now this is not from Go Power Sports. You got this, right?
Yes, I did. I worked up enough money in my car cleaning business to get this little puppy.
Heck yeah, dude. 79 cc's of fury.
Yeah, it's all I've been waiting for all summer.
I've never built one of these 79 cc's. This is brand new for me.
Really?
Yep. I think we start making this frame look cool. What do you say?
Okay, yeah, sounds good.
All right, that feels pretty good, huh?
Yeah,
Dude, look at this. It already looks like a mini bike.
it really does. I can already feel myself riding it.
Check it out, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Rear tire. Sweet
Oh,
disc
yeah.
brake. Sweet little sprocket.
Oh, yeah.
Should we put the wheel on?
Sure, why not?
Let's do it. All right, bro. I think we do front wheel next, but we're running out of space. You want to help me get this off the table?
Yeah, sure.
Can you take the back? We'll just put it down right over here. You wanted a unicycle, right?
I think I'll pass.
All right, buddy. Just get them in, and then I'll flip it over, and you can tighten them off on the other side. All right, buddy boy, top one. Sick. He's getting confident with the impact.
I am.
Nice.
Okay.
All right. I think now we'll bring the bike back up. I'll hang the front forks off, and then we can try and get this on there. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Stop. Perfect. What do you say we get this little kickstand on here?
Oh yeah.
That way this thing will stand on its own. We can keep cooking. Kickstand works.
Oh yeah.
I think I'm gonna do the same thing on yours as I did on mine. I like to wrap this area right here with some electrical tape. That way this doesn't sound crazy when you close it every time. And it looks cool, I think. Yep. Nice. Up next, what do you say we put these foot pegs on?
Sure.
Go ahead. You can start that over there. Rolling chassis.
There we go.
We got wheels.
Yes.
We got your front forks.
Yes.
Kickstand.
Yep.
Foot pegs.
Seat.
Should we do this next?
Yeah.
This is just a little cover plate that goes on top here. It's time, dude.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna be hooking you up with a 79cc
Oh yeah.
Predator engine. This thing's
Yeah.
gonna be sweet.
It really is.
You got your choke over here, your pull start.
I'm gonna have to start with this and then make my way up to
Stage 1,
No,
stage 2.
I was gonna say lawnmowers.
Oh. One thing at a time, I guess. So, in order to get this to fit into your bike, we're gonna need to take off the exhaust and we're gonna need to take off this gas tank. Oh, you know what we should do?
What?
While we're here. What do you think about that?
Oh, I like that much better.
And then you'll match me too.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
How do they make that perfect size? It's like they knew.
It's like they knew. Get my greasy fingerprints off.
There we go. Now that's an engine.
That's right, buddy. You know that sticker adds 5 horsepower?
Oh yeah.
So you're gonna need to read this all the way through, especially the Chinese sections. Those are very important.
Okay.
You don't have to. I'm just kidding.
Good.
But it is good to hold on to this though, because it'll say right here your engine oil capacity is 0.37 quarts, which is hilariously small. So I'm gonna try and measure out 0.37 quarts, and we'll put some oil in this thing.
Sounds good.
This is just for style points. Well, I think that's all we got to do on this engine for right now. So we can put this aside, we'll move our table, and we can start building the rest of this thing on the ground. Sound
Yeah,
good?
sounds good.
All right, we're on the floor, baby. You got a roller.
Yeah.
How sick is this thing?
It's holy cannoli worthy.
Yeah, I'd say. All right, what do you say we start working on these grips, huh?
Sounds good.
Got it.
Sometimes I'll be like riding a dirt bike or a mini bike and I'll like forget where the brakes are and I just like go in circles until I stop.
We're gonna do some serious brake training. We've had enough mishaps on this channel already.
Oh yeah, build, break, repeat his.
Hey guys. You like Build, Break, Repeat?
I haven't watched many of their videos, but yeah.
You should check them out. They're really cool guys. Because, well, since we're talking about it, they gave me some sick Build, Break, Repeat stickers while we were at the meetup.
Nice. Oh,
So that's for you, buddy.
Thank you. Maybe I'll put this on here too. Maybe I'll put it next to a Tyranis sticker on the.
Sticker bomb it.
Yeah.
Hop on there for a second.
Oh yeah. Oh.
See that throttle? Dude, this bike fits you so perfectly. Trey, how gnarly, the proportions.
It looks so cool, man.
I love it.
Asher, while we're here and thinking about this, who is your favorite supplier of go-kart and mini bike parts?
Go Power Sports.
That's right. Oh, Asher,
I'm gonna eat it.
I got some bad news for you, pal. You know all that hard work you just did about putting this grip on?
Yeah.
We gotta try and take it off.
That's okay.
So, now we gotta sort out your brakes.
Well, we love our brakes.
That's right. Up next, let's take a look at this gas tank. I've been excited to do one of these rear mounts and I've never done one. Let me see.
Now it really looks like a bike. You just have to add the.
What do you think about that?
Oh, that might be my favorite.
Fresh! Oh, that's so cool. Fuel shutoff still works. Good shape.
Okay.
Let's throw on, this is your chain tensioner. Get that close to in position.
Okay.
Bro, I think it's time we grab your engine.
Sounds good. Oh, this is heavy.
Look at that.
There we go.
It looks awesome.
It really does.
So, now that we've got it here, let's test our little, I'm so curious to see if this is gonna fit or if we're gonna have to do something custom.
Well, it is Tyranis Customs,
It is.
but
Looks like that's what we're gonna be doing. Quick and dirty job, and we'll get you a real header soon. Anyways, there's little holes in the, I just realized something. Can you do me a favor? Can you hold the bike upright for me? And I'll see if I can find the holes for these things.
anyone want to start it?
Dog. What's popping? We're gonna need an adapter plate. So we ran into some issues.
Yes, I have seen the issues.
You know how it goes here, though. When you build stuff, sometimes it doesn't always work out the first time.
Oh yeah, I've seen that once or twice.
Yeah. I didn't know anything about these 79cc engines. Turns out they've got a different bolt pattern on the bottom to connect it to the bike. And so we're gonna need to get some kind of specific like adapter plate. We'll get you a new sweet side exit exhaust header
Oh yeah.
and a muffler. That'll be sweet. We also need to get a smaller clutch because these 79cc Predators run a 5/8 bore centrifugal clutch. I wasn't specific enough with Go Power Sports, and they sent this one, I think 3/4 fits on. So, got a couple things to get on order for you, so we'll be doing this again, little part 2.
Yeah.
I'm sure you won't be too upset.
No, I won't. As long as I get to drive it sometime this summer, I'm happy.
There you go. Well, give it a couple days, and we should be able to take care of it. But look at this thing, dude. Before we pull the engine out, how cool does that look?
Yeah, I mean, let's see.
I'll help you find two-stroke sounds, Trey. Talk to Vasily. So, we're not gonna be able to ride under power today, Asher, unfortunately.
Well, that's okay, but I think there is something else that we can do.
That's right. You can't test the engine, but gosh darn it, we can test the brakes.
Oh yeah.
You wanna go roll down the hill?
Sure, why not?
Yeah. Why don't you get a helmet first?
Okay, I'll go do that.
All right.
Now I think we should go test those brakes.
Heck yeah.
Wee! 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 Wah! Wah!
Let's go from this crack to that crack and test your brakes.
Okay.
Okay? Good, Trey?
I'm good.
All right, let's go. Brakes. Nice. Let's do it again. Next crack. Brakes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Locking them up.
Yeah.
With these knobby tires, they will slide pretty easy on the pavement. Just, you know, work your brakes nice and easy.
Okay.
And let's just do a little cruise on down. Feel those brakes.
Oh, I like this. It's like, where's the pedal? That's what I feel like.
But the brakes work.
They do. They definitely work.
I had a brief moment there where you were picking up speed, and I was like, I may have made a terrible mistake. All right, wait, hold on. Scoot back here.
Okay.
What do you say we do a drag race?
Okay.
I'll race you to those two trees right there.
Which two trees? Oh, yeah, those okay.
All right?
Okay.
You ready, Trevor? Count us in.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Set, go.
Get a big rascal, they said. It'll be fast, they said. Oh, you smoked me by a bike length.
Well.
All right, hand. All right. Can I get a rematch?
Uphill?
This way, yeah.
I don't know, but I guess so.
All right. This time, let's make it interesting. All right? Put $5 on the table. We're gonna gamble a little bit here.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
All right?
Okay. Oh.
Okay. Go!
I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. And I
Smoked him!
Yeah. I've got 5.
Yeah. You know what? We'll let it slide for this time.
Okay, well, when I have an engine, then you're gonna have to see.
All right. You got a deal.
Yeah.
Well, all right, buddy.
Yeah,
You got a roller,
I do.
and that thing looks epic.
It really does.
We'll get you finished up next time. Thanks for hanging out and building with us.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Of course.
Thank you for Go Power Sports.
That's right.
Yeah.
Love it. All right, Trey, you want to get some B-roll?
Let's do that.
Let's get out of here.
Yeah.